Hello guys. So this is DU Buddy. Once again you are stuck with me. I'm Neha from LSR. तो आज मैं आपको लेके जाऊंगी LSR वर्ल्ड में and I'll tell you guys about my fellow LSR students marks, उनके CUET scores and how did they prepare for CUET and what are their reviews about this college and CUET exam. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. So here we are. So let me ask you guys, सबसे पहले आप सभी का CUET score क्या था with your category and your current course you are pursuing?
Hi, I'm Kritika and my score was 775 and I'm from general
Out
category.
of 800?
Out of 800, 775.
Hello, I'm Tanisha and my score was 763 journal category.
हाय माई स्कोर was 740 जो नॉर्मलाइजेशन के बाद 720 हो गया था एंड आई एम फ्रॉम द एससी कैटेगरी.
हाय माय नेम इज़ दृष्टि. मेरा स्कोर 700 था. नॉर्मलाइजेशन के बाद हो गया था. वैसे तो 740 था.
Okay.
एससी कैटेगरी.
Hi guys, my name is Deepika and my CUET score was 721 out of 800 and it was not that high because and considering I'm from OBC category and I'm pursuing statistics honors right now, so the cutoff for statistics honor doesn't go much high since not many students take it as their first priority.
Hi, I'm Bhavika and my CUT score was 780 out of 800 and I'm from general category.
My score was 565 out of 800 and category was EWS.
My score was 760 out of 800 and my score is my category is general.
My score was 700 out of 800 and my category is EWS.
My score was 742 and my category is EWS.
So you guys have different streams in 12th. So what kind of domain combination you guys had? Also tell me about if GT was compulsory in your course you are pursuing.
GT was not compulsory but अगर आपको देना you can give GT. I would not suggest it. Personally, I would not suggest it.
Yeah.
If it is required, then go for GT. Otherwise, if you are like going for subjects like history honors or political science honors, sociology honors, I don't think it's GT is actually required. So you can go for 3 domains subjects plus English or a language, any language. So you can go like
So
that.
what were your guys like domain के combinations? Which subject you guys?
I
did this
actually gave
exam?
7 paper to be honest. I gave 7 papers. So I gave economics, geography, history and political science. These were the main subjects. Plus English and I gave GT too. And I gave legal studies just for fun. Yeah.
Okay.
So I gave English, political science, history and psychology. So 3 domain and 1 language. And moreover the thing with GT is it's better if you're going for more options. It's on a safer side if you don't want to go for only program or honors only, so you can give it on a safer side. But if you have like a mindset that you only want to go for honors and programs, so it's not necessary.
I had political science, history, sociology and English. I also gave GT because I did not know that it was not compulsory for my course, but if you know that you want to do arts only and honors courses, don't give it, but explore करना है, मन है, दे दो, because क्योंकि mind ज़्यादा divert हो जाएगा अपने main domain subject से, क्योंकि GT does require a lot of time क्योंकि उसमें maths होता है. So yeah.
So I gave political science, sociology, geography and physical education and GT. Physical education पापा की वजह से दिया था मैंने. आपका मन हो तो दे सकते हो.
So I'm pursuing mathematics honors and my course, my paper was mathematics, physics, chemistry, English and physical education.
So let me ask you, क्या GT compulsory था when you
For
had your
for DU,
combination?
GT is not compulsory but it's restricted to only some courses like mathematics or basic courses.
Yeah.
Yes.
My department is philosophy honors and GT was not compulsory for our department and particularly DU I think, but yeah, I failed the GT and I had 4 subjects in my CUET paper: history, political science, geography and physical education and a language English.
Yeah, my department is also philosophy. Again, GT was not compulsory. My subject combination was physics, chemistry, biology and English since I am from PCB. So yeah.
My department is economics. My combination was economics, history, pol science and 1 English as language. And I took GT but उसमें कुछ फ़ायदा नहीं हुआ उसका.
So I took all the subjects of commerce, main subjects, accountancy, economics and business studies, along with English was compulsory. And I also took general test because I was thinking of applying in BMS course. Yes, but mostly the course component were commerce subjects and mathematics. That was mine.
Same as her.
So guys, if you guys had to categorize जो exams थे, how hard they were, जो बाकी exam if we compare it to like NEET exam, how was the CUET exam और सबसे मुश्किल कौन सा exam था जिसके लिए आपने prepare?
Being honest, GT was quite tough, like not that much tough too. And
Out of all subjects.
And I won't call it like easy, difficult. It was like easy to moderate level wala. And if you're doing 12th अच्छे से plus थोड़ी और ज़्यादा information, then you can easily go through CUET. Like it's very easy. Just go through your 12 के notes and you're done.
I think for me, since I didn't give GT, so I cannot speak on that behalf, but the exams were really easy and you'll get 50 questions and out of which you have to only do 40. So you can, like, it's not necessary for you to do the deleted syllabus. You can even choose that easier path to only do that much of syllabus which has already been covered in your school. So it will be easy. So exams were easy, but overall, if I were to say, the idea of CET is good because now you don't have to depend on your board marks, but it was very ill managed, to be honest. Like, you don't get your city intimation slip till the last moment, and the centers are very far away. So if it could be a bit organized and managed, it will be easier for students for the next year.
Personally speaking about the experience, it was good. We found the centers, but वो घर से काफ़ी होता because I live in Southwest and the center was in North Delhi. And the timings were, I had the morning shift, so we had to leave the house quite early to reach the place. Plus there were many candidates, so उस हिसाब से अपने time manage करके जाना. Also talking about GT, GT का paper was tough. क्योंकि I was from the arts background, humanities, तो उसके हिसाब से GT was difficult for me. Rest it was good. As she said that अगर 12th ढंग से कर लोगे, so you will not have that much of pressure. Also just focus on your NCERT, that will be enough for the CUET exams.
एग्ज़ाम्स में ज़्यादा कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं थी और एक्स्ट्रा बुक्स लेने की तो बिल्कुल भी ज़रूरत नहीं है, वो खुलेंगी भी नहीं. और रही बात सेंटर्स की, तो बहुत दूर थे. अगर फर्स्ट शिफ्ट में होता था तो उसके लिए आपको 6 बजे निकलना पड़ेगा, तब जाके आप पहुंच पाओगे. ऐसी कोई सच प्रॉब्लम नहीं थी वैसे.
CUET was like in general बहुत easy था, but because we were the first batch which were giving it, so थोड़ा सा हमें डर था शायद उस वजह से hard लग सकता है. General test was very easy. Mathematics was comparatively harder, and apart from that, other subjects like accountancy, it was more numerical oriented, and other subjects like business studies, they were relatively very easy.
All of them were easy. I mean, अगर प्रिपरेशन अच्छे से कर रखी है, बोर्ड्स वगैरह की भी अच्छे से थी, तो आई गेस इतना कोई टफ नहीं था. एंड आई थिंक कि CUET में स्कोर करना इज़ मच ईजियर एज़ कम्पेयर टू अर्लियर जो कट ऑफ वाला सिस्टम था.
Okay, so for me, CUET was based on boards and paper only. Like we don't have to much prepare for CUET.
Yeah.
If we can prepare boards well, then we can crack the CUET as well. And for me, maths and physics was little bit tough.
Okay.
For me, I think GT was a little tough because I was not from maths background. I was not from any background of that sort. I was from humanities, and every subject of humanities was pretty easy. And I also want to suggest that when I solved mock papers, it was something else. Like they were tough than the actual paper. So you shouldn't be worried about that mocks are tough. The paper was very easy according to me.
Yeah, papers were very easy, but something that I will recommend is that you make silly mistakes when you're in hurry. That's what I did in biology paper. Bio is very easy, but I still made some silly mistakes. Physics was relatively harder.
For me maths was harder because maths में मेरा बहुत सारा पेपर रह गया था, but I still scored 98 percentile. So yeah, हो जाएगा, ऐसा कोई दिक्कत वाली बात नहीं है.
Can I give a quick tip? Go through the boxes. Definitely go through the boxes. And for history, do remember the dates. Like अगर तुम last page खोलोगे तो there's a box and all the different dates are given there. So go through them once. क्योंकि उस पे questions आते हैं.
Also guys, please coaching मत लेना. Please coaching मत लेना. It is not beneficial. तुमने 12 ढंग से किया, तुम्हारा CUET निकल जाएगा. कोचिंग का क्या होता है, they just exaggerate कि ओ बहुत बड़ा एग्जाम है, इतना कुछ बवाल होने वाला है, कुछ भी नहीं होने वाला है. It's just a normal entrance exam. क्योंकि I personally took coaching for GT and English. आई डिड नॉट नो कि मेरे एग्जाम के मेरे कोर्स के लिए GT इज़ नॉट कंपल्सरी, ले लिया. एंड एट ऑल्सो टू फॉर इंग्लिश. इंग्लिश वॉज वेरी ईजी, इतना ज़रूरत नहीं है, तो कोचिंग के लिए मत जाना. इफ़ यू आर रियली अंडर कॉन्फिडेंट दैट तुमसे नहीं हो पाएगा, देन ओनली गिव इट अ ट्राई, अदरवाइज इट्स नो नीड.
I didn't also take any coaching. It was not necessary actually for
So
my
is
course.
it important to solve mock tests? Like if you
Yeah.
had a lot of good mock
I
tests.
suggest that you should, because it also give you a sense of time management. Because when I went for my first shift, it was an English and political science exam. So I had a 2-hour exam. And there were a lot who struggled to, keep up with the time, and many of them couldn't complete their English one specifically. So you get a sense of time, you will manage your time better, and plus you'll also get what the type of questions will be asked, like the pattern and all.
Talking about PYQs, you guys said कि important थे, उसको solve कर सकते थे. It would be very helpful. तो जो PYQs थे, if you guys had got the chance कि तुम्हें फ़ोन पे ही जैसे NTA के एग्ज़ाम आते हैं वैसे ही पैटर्न के साथ you guys could solve it. So it had been more helpful to you guys. Like DU buddies, guys offering you that PYQ format के question answers, you can always attempt them. It would be very beneficial for you. So moving on, I would like to ask you everyone कि why did you all choose LSR?
Why not LSR? Like LSR is like, I always wanted to come to LSR. LSR is such a nice college. To be honest, LSR gives me like very cozy, comforting and nice vibes. Until now I have met like nice people. I'll be very honest. बाद में पता नहीं क्या है, but till now I met like really really nice people. Professors are amazing and I'm just loving the environment here.
Okay.
Actually, my first preference was Stephens, but I couldn't make it. All thanks to normalization. It really did. My marks got reduced, but then I got into LSR. And I don't have any regrets now, to be honest, because I'm not comparing any college, but to be honest, as Kritika already mentioned, it's very comforting vibe, and moreover, it's more academic oriented. It's not that college vibes, आज class cancel हो गई इस event की वजह से classes में नहीं आना. Attendance, tute, everything is compulsory, so we learn it the hard way, but at least we learn the hard work.
So
That's
it's not
why.
that all aesthetic vibes which we see on the phones.
No, it is aesthetic
it is
too.
very aesthetic.
Sometimes it's academic bhi hai, aesthetic bhi hai, so it depends upon how you are managing it. But if you have good friends like I do, I manage it well.
Friends are make it very easy. Exactly.
Yeah, as she said that friends make it easy, so दोस्त बना लेना. As she also said कि LSR is academics. Don't think that it is some other college जहाँ पे क्लास नहीं होनी, इलेक्शंस हैं, टीचर्स के इलेक्शंस है, तुम्हारी क्लास नहीं होनी, इधर पे क्लासेस होंगी, कुछ भी हो रहा है क्लासेस होंगी. ECA का देख लेना if you are अगर कर रहे हो ECA तो. Otherwise this is studies, this is about studies. आके पढ़ाई करनी है and fake it till you make it. फेक सोशल मीडिया पे कुछ और दिखाओ, असलियत कुछ और होती है. सो येस, पढ़ाई करनी पड़ेगी इधर पे आके. यू कैन नॉट मिस योर लेक्चर्स, अदरवाइज सेमेस्टर एग्जाम्स में दिक्कत होने लग जाएगी. ऑल्सो यू हैव टू स्टडी. द इंटरनल्स आर डिफिकल्ट. इट इज़ नॉट लाइक अदर कॉलेज जहाँ पे होम असाइनमेंट्स मिलता है. हियर वी हैव टेस्ट. यू हैव टू गिव टेस्ट फॉर योर इंटरनल्स. सो थिंक अबाउट इट एंड डू स्टडी.
8:45 से क्लास होती है.
सुबह सुबह जल्दी उठो पड़ता
हाँ वही बात है. तो टेस्ट वगैरह तो होते ही हैं, इंजॉय कर रहे हैं हम अभी भी, वो ही है.
जहाँ friends guys, you guys can enjoy a lot. बाकी LSR is a pretty place.
Yeah, it's very nice. Hopefully we'll see some of you here in college as well, because it's very nice college, to be honest. Now I don't regret कि मुझे LSR क्यों मिला.
I got my second choice.
Okay.
And my first was LSR itself, but course was different.
Okay.
Yes.
I had many choices, not regarding to college but regarding to course. But although I wanted philosophy and I got it, so I didn't upgrade or anything. I was happy with my course, and LSR was as a college was my first preference because it was very famous for for studies and for fun.
LSR is like LSR.
LSR is like
Everybody's
LSR, it is a
for
brand
it.
name. And I also wanted South Campus, like it's pretty peaceful than North Campus.
My first preference was psychology, but I preferred college over course. So that's why I put philosophy as a second preference. But if you're very much inclined towards your course, like if you really want to do psychology only, you should prefer course over college.
Yeah.
That's also a good option.
Yes.
My first preference was economics honors itself, but जो course था, like जो college था, that was SRCC, which I didn't get. But yeah, LSR is good. I'm enjoying it right now. Tarang Arav.
Yeah, Tarang, guys.
LSR is one of those colleges which comes in top
Yeah, the
name.
top colleges among the India. Yeah.
So when I was making the list, so my top priority was LSR Economics Honors, and after that LSR BCom Honors. Then I went to have SRCC Stephens,
Okay.
but eventually I got Stats Honors because that was my I got third preference.
I was really interested in maths and stuff, so yeah, stats honors. I ended up here in LSR because it's the best college provided for stats honors.
So talking about comfort here, you guys can आप मुझे बता सकते हो more about the infrastructure, you know, expectations versus reality, अब thinking about the infrastructure in LSR.
Before everyone comes to college to romanticize college a lot. I did too.
Romanticize, guys, romanticize it.
Don't do this. It's not a movie, a show, a serial, web series, nothing. It's normal life. Don't romanticize it that much. But the infrastructure is not that bad. Tute rooms में थोड़ी we can't fit in tute rooms that much. It's pretty fine. I find it good.
Yeah, I think same as what Kritika said. The old building is like the rooms are very suffocating. They are very small. So the new building is pretty good though. There are larger rooms, and infrastructure-wise, I don't think I expected anything more. It's fine.
As they mentioned, old building is not that great, but the new building is good. Also, government se fund aa raha hai, sarkari college hai, what do we expect? It's better than other colleges. Infrastructure is better than other colleges, but not that great.
ज़्यादा कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, ज़्यादा एक्सपेक्टेशंस भी नहीं थी, सही है मेरे लिए तो.
Yeah, this infrastructure is very good, and I like it because we have many spaces around to
It's
do
spacious.
anything. Yeah, it's spacious.
Yes.
The infrastructure is good, but some classes are very small for tutor lectures. We need to find other classes. Although it's pretty.
Yeah, exactly. Tute classes are a little small, and there's a little space in Audi as well. It could have been bigger, but anyway, our campus is very green. And I've been to Dayal Singh College, and that's very, what should I say, deserted type of college. This is very green.
Yeah, our college is like very greenery around everything and all. So next question I would like to ask you, how it being in a women's college? It's an all women's college, like no boys, no co-ed college. So what are your guys thoughts about ki college all women's hai?
Shanti, same.
Shanti. Okay. So next.
Shanti, it's very peaceful, it's very comfortable. You can do whatever you want. I'm from a co-ed school. मुझे लगा था it will be very different over here because it's a women college, but it's not. It's very comfortable. Also, there are no dange going on.
जहाँ पे लड़के होते हैं वहाँ दंगे होते हैं.
No, see, boys are fun. I know everything, but I always had boys as friends. I never had girlfriends, so I got her, and I'm pretty happy about that coming to this college.
So in this college, like सारी जगह लड़कियां दिखती हैं, and वो बहुत सुंदर होती हैं. So हमें और किसी की ज़रूरत नहीं है.
So guys, it's about all girls college. We are comfortable. The thing is, we are comfortable in this college, very much comfortable. It is a women's college, all women's college. तो आप लोगों के thoughts क्या हैं एक all women's college पे?
Personally, I studied in a co-ed school for about 12 to 13 years. I really thought that it will be overwhelming. I don't know if I'll sound misogynistic or what. I thought it will be overwhelming to be surrounded by one gender all the time. Okay, I should not mention one gender. There's a whole debate about how many genders are there. I'm sorry, but I thought it will be a bit overwhelming. But now I really want my college to be only girls' college.
No boys allowed?
No, it's not that I feel not comfortable around them, but just get the idea. I just want it to be a girls'
LSR
college.
is comfort. LSR
Yeah,
is a safe
it's very
place.
comfortable, to be honest. It's not about you can wear anything, you'll get judged or anything, but people here are very nice and you feel that comfort.
So I really don't have anything to say about it. I'm just liking people. Like, अब मुझे बिल्कुल फ़र्क नहीं पड़ रहा कि if it's co-ed or girls. Just the people are really nice and they like make the environment so comfortable for you that I'm just adapted to the environment. अब 6 महीने हो चुके हैं. So yeah, but sometimes like in the start, I'm also from a co-ed school, so like I also wanted कि और लोगों से interaction होता. Like I went to North Campus, so like a lot of people were there.
Okay, the crowd is like
crowd. But now I feel like it gives such a cozy, comfortable vibe that it's like a bubble you don't want to come out of.
And Moreover, I feel there are a lot of arguments about that you should be surrounded with all the genders. So when you're going for a job, you will be better adapted to interact with everyone. It's a whole argument in itself. Many will be offended, like it's only a girls' college and all. But I feel really cozy over it.
Guys, talking about LSR, like इतना सब कुछ आपने बता दिया है, like to the people who want to come first years जो अभी आएंगे, तो जो एक और चीज़ होती है लोगों में, काफ़ी ज़्यादा लोगों को इसकी confusion रहती है, is it compulsory to join the societies?
No, it's
be
not.
very frequent in society.
No, it's not compulsory, but I would suggest you to be part of societies. It gives you a lot of exposure. You meet a lot of new people and you get many new opportunities. So do join societies. Like this year, I thought it would be very overburdened and everything, so I didn't join societies except one. But I prefer कि तुम आओ and do join. Try giving auditions and interviews. And don't be disheartened अगर तुम्हारा नहीं हुआ तो.
I'm a part of like at least 2 societies and 3-4 centers. Honestly, I joined many of them, but I don't appear for any of those work. It's a big secret. I was supposed to be here for a meeting, but I'm chilling and I will be going back home. So that's why I'm scared. But if you genuinely don't feel like work, like see, if you are like flexible enough, you're responsible, then please go for these societies and all. But what I feel is they give you a sense of responsibility, time management, and you get exposure. So you can join societies which are of your interest, like DepSoc, DramSoc, and any of you feel like. Moreover, DepSoc, you should all join DepSoc because it will give you a lot of exposure to public speaking. You will be more confident in your skills.
As for the society, Kritika mentioned that because of the academic burden, we did not join anyone in the first year, but we will definitely be doing in the second year. Because first year mein, it's like you think that LSR is very academically oriented, but padhai ke saath saath you need some distraction which can give you some exposure and some enjoyment in your life, and societies do that for you. So akele mat rehna, don't just study and be in the classroom all the time. Do something other than your studies so that तुम लोग enjoy कर पाओ and it can de-burden you.
और अगर सोसाइटीज़ में ना भी हो तो टेंशन लेने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है, मैं खुद एक में ही हूँ बस.
My main reason to get into societies was to get away with my shyness. I'm a very shy person.
Okay, you are a very shy person.
Yeah, so getting into societies not only gave me that confidence, but it also gave me the opportunity to interact with others, have more friends.
So is it a necessity to be in a society, or you have a a kind of opportunity to not to do it only?
See, I don't think so. It's a necessity. If you're a kind of person who thinks doing internships will benefit you more, so it's okay. But on a general level, it depends mostly on your overall goal, that what you want to do. If you want to grab a placement, so I would recommend to get into one good society.
I am in some of the societies. Some are working very well, and about some societies, we both feel and we talk about it a lot that they don't take amateurs. They don't take people who want to learn. They take people who have already have the skill. If I want to learn something from a society, I can't. I have that skill pehle se, then I can go in the society, or else I can't.
Yeah, exactly. I mean, so you get to hear these things that there will be a lot of exposure. There is exposure, but only if you're already a master in that skill. If you're still learning, there's no space for you. You still have to, master yourself. Only then there's a good exposure.
Societies I didn't make in first semester. तो आई फेल्ट बहुत बुरा कि यार नहीं मिली सोसाइटी, सबको मिल रही है, मुझे क्यों नहीं मिली. बट नाउ इट्स ओके, लाइक हाँ 2-3 मिली तो अच्छा लग रहा है.
सो गाइज लेट्स मूव फॉरवर्ड. एक और क्वेश्चन मुझे आपसे पूछना है जो सबके दिमाग में होता है. जैसे यू गाइज नो ना, रामजस एंड सत्यवती कॉलेज, दे आर लाइक वेरी फ्रीक्वेंटली टॉक्ड अपॉन देयर पॉलिटिकल places, like they are like very politics, a lot of politics in Satyavati college, in Ramjas college. So यहाँ पे कैसा environment है?
LSR is politically very isolated. It's not at all politically active. Moreover, I don't see any politics being talked about. Like even when we have to share our opinions, me, Kritika, Sneha and all, we just snuck in a small place so that no one hears it. Because we don't know how people are going to react, but it's very politically isolated.
No comments from my side. I'm not saying anything.
Guys, moving on to the next question. What is you guys, favorite spot in LSR?
Okay.
A perfect place, my place.
We go for spot hunting every day. This is our favorite one recently, but me and Kritika also sit there at that place.
Politics there.
We discuss politics there, and the entire friend group sits over there.
So amphitheater is you guys' favorite.
This is our
It depends on the season. If it's winters, dhoop chahiye, the amphi is good. But in the summers, the exi, right behind the camera, is the exi. Very chill in the summers. It's good.
So it's cool in the XC in
Yeah,
summer.
yeah.
So you guys can sneak out in the XC and have your cool summers. So yeah, so guys, to all the fellow बच्चे जो भी next first year students आएंगे, you guys have any advice for them?
I'll say if you are preparing for CUT right now, just do well in your boards क्योंकि वही आएगा CUT में. अगर deleted syllabus नहीं हो रहा है, it's fine. Just opt a smart way because 50 में से 40 questions ही करने हैं ना. And moreover, if you come into college, I'll say don't compare yourself, don't think yourself less than others because ऐसा होता है. You get that kind of feeling कि friends नहीं बन रहे अभी अकेले हैं तो it will all happen with flow. Keep your mental health fine and moreover if you are going to be if you will be living in PG, then make friends and do keep talking to your parents. Have a good contact and friendship with them. Not friendship, but keep in contact with them.
So guys, network here. Do the network thingy here. Make a lot of friends in LSR.
And if you don't have any friends, it's fine. You can just sit alone. No one is going to judge you. Like when I came for my orientation, I could see everyone standing in groups, but I was alone. I went back home and I cried for weeks. I was like, I don't have friends. But now I have amazing friends. Like there are only 4 now. Abhi for classes mein nahi
You
hai.
can approach people here. They're like very sweet.
They're sweet.
My advice would be please don't take your SGPA in a light manner. It's like college, so don't study. Maintain your SGPA, and with that, try every new thing, whatever you can, to understand your comfort zone.
So guys, that is it for today's video. Stay tuned with DU Buddy and आज हमने बहुत सारे लोगों से इंटरेक्शन की है आपके लिए, उनसे पूछा है how they feel about CUET, how they feel about CUET का exam and how they feel about this college particularly. So for more such videos, stay tuned with DU Buddy and I will meet you very soon.